Rice Lake Weighing Systems designs and manufactures Survivor truck scales, the toughest truck scales on Earth. As North America's most popular truck scale brand, Survivor scales are known for their superior construction, built with 100% North American steel and the finest craftsmanship anywhere. Survivor scales are made to deliver dependable, accurate weighments for a generation and beyond. Just like each scale, the entire Survivor line has been carefully assembled to answer each of the challenges your business faces every day, beginning with the versatile and cost-effective Survivor OTR series, including the extreme vehicle strength of the OTR XV. For a portable version of the OTR, choose the Survivor ATV, engineered for easy relocation from job to job. The Survivor SR integrates massive side rails for an ultra-low profile and rigid strength. Pit-type applications with deep clearance can take advantage of Rice Lake's PT series. Many PT scales can be custom fit to existing foundations, saving thousands of dollars in construction costs. Create multi-platform variations from any model to individually weigh each axle within the same foundation. Survivor M-Series scales harness electromechanical technology for time-tested reliability. Survivor scales provide the lowest total cost of ownership for any commercial scale available today, and they're backed by the best warranty in the industry. Whether selecting a standard model or customizing one to your application, what goes into each Survivor from start to finish is what earns its badge as the toughest truck scale on Earth. Survivor scales use up to 30% more steel than competing brands, with heavy-duty I-beams strategically placed with the flow of traffic, guaranteeing tire support regardless of truck position. Each weighbridge is thoroughly cleaned prior to painting to remove mill scale and surface imperfections. A rust-proof undercoating is applied to the underside of the scale to protect against moisture damage. And finally, a high-quality finish is applied to all visible surfaces for an automobile-like finish that protects the scale from the elements. Select from your choice of concrete or steel deck. Concrete deck scales offer better traction and greater rigidity, while steel deck scales can be delivered, installed, and placed into service in as little as 4 to 6 hours. Steel deck scales are also lighter in weight and easier to relocate. Steel deck designs also feature an open bottom for unrestricted airflow, eliminating the possibility of trapped condensation that causes premature rust and corrosion. Unlike competing models, Survivor scales offer our signature boltless top access plates that stay in place during operation, yet provide fast and easy access to load cell pockets. Survivor load cell pockets are integrated into the steel structure of each scale, built inside the outer I-beam. Rice Lake's patented G-Force single-link suspension system eliminates excess movement and scale wear by using 100% of the loading action against itself, returning the scale to dead center without check rods or bumper bolts. Survivor scales are fabricated with both steel and flexible conduit to protect load cell cables from rodents, vandals, and environmental hazards. Choose from our standard analog junction box or the improved digital diagnostic power of Rice Lake's iCube 2. iCube 2's onboard diagnostics will immediately alert operators of functional issues and can be configured to compensate for those issues until a repair can be made. Whether analog or digital, these technologies help keep your scale investments safe and round out one of the most dependable transient protection packages in the industry. Get the most of your truck scale investment with optional features that improve scale performance and the efficiency of your entire truck scale system. Loop detectors identify approaching vehicles. Barrier gates prevent unauthorized access and control vehicle movement. And high visibility guide rails provide an added level of safety. Integrated grain dump rating speeds vehicle unloading and truck traffic. Indicators and ticketing kiosks with RFID capability promise accurate ticketing and data collection. Stop and go lights simplify communication. Remote displays are ideal for better visibility indoors or out. And video surveillance is also available for added visibility and security. Rice Lake offers the largest, most experienced engineering and field sales network in the industry. We put more into every Survivor scale so that you can get more out. Make Survivor the last truck scale investment you'll ever make. From start to finish, depend on Rice Lake to help choose the right Survivor for your job.